What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Aya, and today is the beach day vlog, y'all. Now, I've been waiting so long to go to the beach, y'all, but you know, we haven't had any money lately to do stuff, so I'm really excited to go to the beach today. Obviously, sadly, Ayana will not be swimming with us. She got her period. Man, do I know that feeling. I'm gonna show y'all my bathing suit in just a second, but I wanted to say, if you guys are new, please make sure you like and subscribe, hit that like button, and follow my Snapchat. I'm gonna link it down in the comments. I love you guys so much.
How dare you say about me?
And without further ado, let's get started. So, first off, y'all, I'm gonna show you guys. What are you doing? I'm gonna show you guys my bathing suit. I'm not turning around for y'all, because some of you guys are creeps.
You need help. I don't know if you guys can see. Don't see that? I'm not turning around. Just the bathing suit.
Okay. So, I'll place y'all right there. So, obviously this is currently the outfit. I kind of like it, but I feel like we can make a little bit of improvements. Here they are, guys. They're black shorts, a little bit oversized, but we're gonna try them on and see if I like them better than these ones. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, so let me show y'all what we're working with.
I get a lot. Taking a spot. See, pass me a spot. There's no bitch in my block. Me and Patty be getting along. So they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'm gonna put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the back. All the hating bitches to the back. Too much so before I can react. Damn bitches be going outside.
Alright, that's enough there. So I'm not sure how I feel about those. I'm gonna bring this one downstairs, and we're about to see which one I like better, y'all, to be honest. Alright, guys, so I actually made the decision that I like the tan shorts better. I'm not gonna lie with you guys. I just like the way that they fit. So I'm gonna show you guys the rest of how I get ready, and then that's what I'm about to do. So obviously, guys, the next step is packing, and this is gonna be like a quick pack because, as I said, I've got to walk my dog. So you guys are gonna get on the floor with me. First things first, y'all, gotta get a bag. So I have a bag here that I'm just gonna reuse. This is the bag I use for my sleepover. I didn't get to tell you guys about the sleepover, but I will definitely do a story time on that very shortly. So I have a water in here. I guess that's from the sleepover. I didn't drink it. But here's what I got: a pair of socks. I'm about to put these on right now. Wait. What I need a pair of socks for? I just remember that if I'm gonna have my sandals on, why I need a pair of socks? Alright. So actually I don't need the pair of socks, but I don't need them. Actually, I don't even know I have those, but we got a bra, y'all. This is the one I just took off. We got some panties, and obviously we have this, y'all, my headscarf that I'm gonna put on so I can have it on with my outfit. We have my deodorant, because you know you gotta put on some deodorant after, and let me put on some deodorant before too. Very important, y'all. Gotta be clean. Look at the muscles, man. Guys, look at my muscles, man. I've been working out every day, and I'm really starting to see a difference. Not my face, though. My face is still very fat, but it's okay. We will try and slim that down too. Anyway, next thing I have to pack is my towel, y'all. So even though I have a yellow bathing suit, I feel like the blue would definitely complement that a lot, and I think that this is my favorite towel. I'm not even gonna lie with you. So this is the one I'm bringing with me. And not last or least, my hoodie, y'all. I want to be comfy on the ride there and to leave as well. So I need to make sure I have my hoodie. Also, my hoodie just makes me feel safe, y'all. Not gonna lie. I'm not gonna bring any stuffed animals last time, because the last time I brought a stuffed animal to the beach, it got lost and it wasn't even mine. So we're not gonna do that. Next, we're gonna bring my drawing book, guys, because I really like to draw and I feel like I'll get a lot of inspiration by the ocean, hearing the ocean sounds. And I got my pencils. And obviously my water, and I have another water in the freezer that I'm gonna pack. And then last but not least, my headphones and my sunglasses. I got my lip stain and my lip oil. Hello?
Hey, we're supposed to be.
Alright,
Bye.
bye. You told me that you're about to leave. Also, guys, they said that they were coming at 7. It's now 7 o'clock. They're not here. They said they're gonna be here by 7. I just thought this would have been a like little cute beach look. Sorry guys for my ashy lips. I'm super dehydrated this morning, but I just wanted to do something quick and very cute. Actually, I don't even like this. Hold on, guys. So it's definitely not even giving. Alright. You know what? Whew. We'll fix this in a second, y'all. Let's worry about this lip stain. I can't see, that's why I keep squinting. Alright. Anyways, y'all. Sorry. I had to get some storage as it's all settled. So we're gonna get our lip oil and just lather that right on top. Now Vaseline also works for this too, y'all. Also, I would recommend some lip gloss instead of lip oil, because honestly, lip oil will be drying up my lips too. I'm not gonna lie with y'all. So. I wish I had a taller camera stand. Oh my god. A taller camera stand. You know what I forgot to pack, y'all? Sunscreen. That's what I forgot to do in my packing part. Look at all these bracelets. I'm gonna bring them with me. And I think I'm gonna wear these once I say my name. So let's get the 2 of them out. I think this is perfect, y'all. Everything checks in, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, so I'm walking the dog right now. Say hi, Cooper. You know, because they're gonna be here soon and we gotta walk Cooper, you know? I'm gonna leave him all day. I shouldn't show you guys my toes, but I'm trying to wait till I get to some light so y'all don't gotta see this. I'm gonna close up that gap when I'm older, y'all. Like, I'll be proud of it for like when I'm young and I can't afford braces, but when I'm older, I'm getting rid of this crap because my gap is crazy. I hate it. So, I'm gonna get rid of that. Because I like to smile, y'all, and I don't really like to smile with this gap in my mouth. Like, I used to not mind it, and then people started talking about it. And now I do care about it, so yeah. And it's a beautiful day, guys. Nice and cool outside. It's always cool in the mornings. I've always wanted to get up and walk Cooper this early, but I've always been so tired, guys, so I haven't done that. It's like 7 something in the morning. It's super duper nice out, and yeah. This headband is actually starting to get annoying. I might just tie it to the bottom of my hair instead. I might just do that right now. Might just tie it to the end of the braid. Oh, I shouldn't be getting the house in there. I can't even express in words, guys, how happy I am about to be going on a beach trip. Yo, I've been waiting so long and now I'm about to go to the beach. Like, I literally have a tear coming out my eye. And that's how excited I am. I have to learn how to hold the camera because I be holding it down here and like here. Yeah, I gotta see from here. So, it's a little weird carrying it outside. That's why, like, just carrying this camera and talking to y'all, I look like a weirdo. I'm not gonna lie, cause I am a weirdo. But yeah, so I'm just enjoying this, guys. Look at the sunlight, man. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I love nature, guys. Look what's around me. It's all forest from there, from that side. I have to make sure I don't get nobody's house in there. Might have to vlog from this way. But yeah, my mom was a little scared, guys. She's like, why are you walking this dog this early by yourself? And I'm like, Mom, what does being early have to do with anything? First I gotta watch out for it being too late outside, and now you telling me I gotta watch out for it being too early? No. The early part of the day is the best part of the day, man. You get the coolest air. The sun is usually pretty nice in the summer, and yeah. So, bro, I smell my grandma. Who the heck smells like that? Cause I'm trying to get into your house for real. It actually smells like my grandma. I miss her so badly. Man, she would have. See, I don't know if we would have been going to the beach if my grandma was still alive, guys. Cause we used to go to Shepherd's Lake. And now we go to the beach because Shepherd Lake, like, they don't have any lifeguards anymore. But we used to have so much fun over there, guys. Like, we didn't even care. I had the sand part, I had the lake. We got to grill stuff on the grill. And then, like, sometimes we wouldn't grill stuff. Sometimes we would just have, like, simple corned beef and tuna sandwiches. Obviously separate, not put together, but you know what I'm saying. Like, those were the good times for. What the heck is that? Please tell me that's a garbage bag. Sometimes I get scared, y'all, because I don't be knowing what people be dropping off over here. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this meadow. I used to come in here with the girls, and we used to, like, be in there. Like, at fall, we used to, like, run in there and stuff. And then I remember in the wintertime, we were gonna go in here and, like, I don't know, play in the snow, but we couldn't. So we came back in the spring and we were just, like, rolling down the hills. Guys, the girls got so muddy when they did this. Those were also super good times. Come on, Cooper, it's time to turn around. Okay, y'all, we got everybody here. And we're on our way to the beach right now. Alright, guys, so we just had to take a pit stop because I had
You said a piss stop?
No, I said a pit stop. Cause I had to pee so bad, y'all. Like, I had to hold in for like an hour.
You're getting all that
So-
stuff on me. Like, you're doing too much.
The kids have candy. Zoe, can I have one?
Sure.
Thank you so much. Guys, I just did that for the camera. Just testing it.
Okay.
Looks like you're struggling there, aren't you? Thanks. Alright, guys, we are here at the beach. Look at our big family. Alright, guys. You girl, you always checking yourself in the mirror. You look good.
Turn the wheel to the left. Sorry, guys.
Guys, I'm over here with broken shoes and everything, but it's alright. I'm just get back to y'all when we get to the beach part.
Oh my gosh, y'all can.
Alright, guys, we're at the beach. It's hot. Everybody's obnoxious right now. I just want to get into the water and have some fun. So we're really late to the beach, guys. It's almost 1 o'clock and we had just gotten everything set up. Usually we're here by 11, so it's pretty late for us. Zoe, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Ava, say hi. Jalen. Alright. And everybody's gonna sleep over tonight, guys. Isn't that lovely? And my mom's being as picky as ever. But it's whatever. We're at the beach. I'm grateful. Look at that. Look at the ocean, guys. Everybody going there. The seagulls. And this is where I want to be. This is where I want to be, y'all. Alright. So, I'm a How does it feel to get buried, Skylar?
Once you got her head.
Hmm?
I will.
Once you got her head neck deep down.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, in the video, right?
Stop moving. Stop moving.
Guys, go follow them at Keeping Up with the Movies.
No, stop. You can't do that. That's cheating.
Me? Oh. Are y'all having a competition?
But it doesn't matter who finishes first because she got a head start.
Yeah, but
And Zoe is smaller, so. Alright. Guys, a lot of people left. This is just a time to pray and have faith in the Lord Jesus Christ, because I prayed, guys, and look what He's blessed us with. I'm forever thankful. We're just waiting to go back in the water. That's what I'm saying. Where's the ice space? Alright, y'all. So it's actually raining.
Yeah.
Not the beach vacation I expected, but I did pray, y'all. I prayed, and hopefully like it gets really better. Hopefully it gets much better, y'all. I don't think it's gonna rain for that long, but everybody packing up, y'all. Everybody's leaving. We're staying, so sorry if I look a little crusty. I just got out the water, so yeah. But yeah, so we're just chilling here. Look at everybody. Everybody's huddling under the small, tiny umbrella that we got for like $16. And yeah. Alright guys, I'll get back to you when the rain hopefully stops. I'm very cold.
Look at it.
Auntie said, I don't know why you picking up poop. What the heck is that?
How was that poop?
You mean that's not poop?
Ayana, no. What are you doing? Ayana, stop. Ayana, I'm not even laughing.
Girl, no. Stop popping all over me. Move. I don't want your corona.
Skylar, pick up this other road dog, please.
Can you stop? Guys, look at the water. Guys, we had to wait so long because of one little thunder. So, we're back again. Sky, you need to be waiting before somebody snatches you up. Zoe, come on, man. So it's like rough currents right now, guys. So before it had a red flag, now we got a blue flag and a green flag. So I don't know what that stuff means, but
I need to get warm because it's a little cold.
it is really cold.
Oh my gosh, it's colder than usual.
Oh shoot!
Is your
Skylar, back the freak up.
How about we get a little closer?
Oh no! I know, right? Y'all are crazy. I ain't doing that. Stop it! This water isn't helping. Woo! Shoot, man. That is cold as frick. Look at Skylar's hair, guys. It's all sandy.
You want me to put some more? What do you think? You should go over there by yourself. She wants to go back up. What did you forget? Wait, so she can't go all the way down there.
Guys, I need you guys back here a second. I'm recording my video on both my electronics. What? Uncle Joey's coming.
He's gonna have to stay with her because I want to go down with Ava. I'll stay. Skylar wants you to go with her.
Uncle Joey's right there. Oh. Skylar, what are you going back for?
I'm going to get her gold.
Daddy, can you go?
Go over
Joey said so. I'll go. I gotta put my stuff back.
Here, I'll go with you.
Alright guys, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Guys, ooh, look at the rainbow. Do you see that? I'm trying to get it, but I can't. Alright. Okay.
Alright, talk to you later.
Alright, bye. Girl, stop covering your freaking face. Stop that crap. Alright guys, last swim of the day. Let's go. Guys, my mom is D-R-U-N-K drunk.
I want to see it this way.
Girl, what are you doing now? I need to see what I'm recording.
It's so cold.
Girl, so go. You will see yourself when I post this video.
No, I want to see me.
You will see it when I post the video, Jalen. Guys, look at all these seagulls. They're everywhere, man. Those are my uncles, man.
And she was running away.
Stop! It's because they were coming after me. Look at how bad it looks over there. It's giving... What is it even giving? It's giving Barbie without the color. Down there. Like, it's literally gray waves.
Ew, look at... I have no feet. And no footprint. Oh my god.
Ew. But you're trying to match with somebody. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, that's cold. That's cold.
Hey, Desire, what are you thankful for in life?
Everything.
No, stay there. I gotta get you.
No!
Lift your hand. What are you thankful for in life?
Everything.
What's everything? What are you thankful for in life?
Yeah.
What's the question I come here about? What are you thankful? I come over here, you gotta say it to the camera.
Huh?
What are you thankful for in life? Why? Okay.
Crab walking to the ocean.
Really?
Yeah, it was like...
Lucky?
It was black.
That
Like my
was
skin.
last swim of the day, girlie. How you feel? It's cold, right? It's cold.
I didn't want to get in. I wanted to stay dry.
Tell me,
Huh?
why?
Why am I thankful for everything?
No, what are you
Because a lot-
thankful for?
Family, like...
Here!
What are you thankful for in life? Yes, I got you. You and your mom. Yes, you and your mom.
Alright, wait.
Oh, wait, can you stop recording real quick and then I can...
Okay.
my towel. Let me get Nazaya for the vlog. Alright.
You see what is happening? Man, that was really bad.
Hey, how's it going?
Cold.
Cold? Alright, here.
Thanks. Alright guys, the last one is over. Oh shoot, my boobs. So we're gonna be heading home now, y'all. That's what we're looking like. Just packing up, getting ready to go.